is your chicken noodles. Drumstick chicken and noodles.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is, or what I'm gonna be making you guys is some noodles with some drumstick chicken. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I need you guys to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, comment, share and all that good stuff, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Let's get the video going, shall we? Okay guys, so to begin with, what you want to do, get your frying pan, and here I've got 6 pieces of drumstick where I have peeled off the skin out of it, or peeled the skin off rather, should I just say, simply so. And now what you want to do is marinate it. How? Simply you got 2 things. You can split them apart so that they will, you know, marinate. Pinch of salt. Okay. Don't worry about marinating it too much because the sauce that we're gonna put, let me just make that. Make it easy for you guys to see. Bada bing, bada boom. Right. That goes there. That goes there. And now, don't worry about the price, that was a good discount. This bad boy right here, pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, beautiful guys. You have no idea. Guys, this, ugh, I can't tell you enough. You know what? I was gonna go easy on this, but I can't. It's just too damn nice. Okay. Let me just make sure I get every scoop out of it because this stuff is really, really yummy. Okay. Let me put that to the side. Now, what you want to do is mix this in with your chicken. Make sure it coats everything all over. Guys, the smell of that is amazing already. And it's not, you know, not even cooking or nothing. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Some people might want to get their hands involved in all of that, but I'm not one of them people. So yeah, use a spoon. Okay, I'm not even interested in putting on some gloves or anything like that to get the job done like that. No, I'm alright. Okay, so ideally you want to let this rest for 20 minutes, half an hour, but because me being me and the lack of patience that I got for food, having to wait for it, I'm not about to do that. So what I'm about to do now is add a pinch of olive oil. Okay, I don't know what that beeping noise is like. It's quite annoying. And just do another mix just so the oil goes everywhere. And you don't want your chicken to like burn or go crispy or anything like that. You just want it to cook slowly, evenly. Take your time, you know. No particular rush in terms of cooking this. Okay, so guys, my mouth is watering from this. Done. Now, we are gonna put this on there. We're gonna turn it on. To begin with, we're gonna turn it on high, just to get the heat going. I'm gonna put the lid on straight away. Let it go on for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, turn it on low and let it cook slowly, guys. I've just tried though too, as you can see, just spin it around so that both sides can, you know, get the heat. And I've added some water into it as well. Yeah, so let it do its thing nicely, gently, easily. Take your time with it, yeah, because you want the middle of it to get cooked. You don't want just the outside to be ready and then the middle of it to be all like uncooked. You don't want that with your chicken. Moving over to making the noodles, and I have one of these bad boys. I got my mate Chris, who purchased me a lovely gift. So if you're watching this, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Let's get this bad boy back in use now. So, what you want to do is get some noodles. Who are you kidding? I've just purchased these from the shop. They're, you know, noodles. And all you want to do is, quite simply, just chuck it in there, mate. Chuck it in there, take these bad boys out, right? This is a simple and easy dish to make, especially with this Maggi, the noodle. I don't want to be shouting out the name, company name, because it's not sponsored. They're not, you know, they're not looking after your boy. You know, I'm doing them a favor. They're not. Yeah. Anyway, let's not get carried away. Now just crack them in the middle. Or break him in the middle, not crack him. What am I saying? I'm hungry, guys, so excuse my yeah. And here's what you want to do. You just want to get this, just pour it in, yeah. No messing about. Do your thing. Oh no. Yeah. Let that do it. Put some hot water into the bad boy and the rest will be done. That is all you got to do, guys. Let that be, yeah? I'll put the lid on. Right, guys, I've turned up the heat on our chicken to get rid of the water and all of that, and to like give it a little crispy touch towards the outside shell. Outside shell, what am I talking about? Anyway, again, another gift from my guy. Thank you very much. Let's have a look at our noodles, see how we're doing here. So as you can see, we are getting ready. It's looking good, okay? There's a little touches here and there which need to be, you know, we're gonna let it crack on until the water evaporates as well in this. The moment that I've been waiting for has now arrived. Are you guys ready? All I'm gonna do is get some of this lovely noodle, stick it in the plate, right? There you are. Not in any particular fancy way or anything, just stick it in there, mate. Yeah. Go on, son. Maybe another portion. Okay. Just like so. Yeah. Tidy it up around the edges. Okay. Fill up the little gap there. Bosh! Bob's your uncle. Now, the chicken has been turned off. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Is this warm? Yeah, it's still warm. So, what you want to do now is grab yourself one of the fine chicken that you can see. Place it in there like so. And then again, another one. And just grab yourself some of that nice pesto sauce, okay, on top of the chicken. Look at that. Okay, now, if you fancy or if you don't, it's entirely up to you. Put a little bit of crushed pepper on top. Yeah. Done. And you can potentially sprinkle some spring onions on top. Voila! And there, right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your chicken noodles. Drumstick chicken and noodles. Whatever you want to call it. Chicken and noodles, guys. Bon appetit. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come